The play The Way of the World is primarily about option A. Political revolution, option B. Romantic heroism, option C. Complex courtship and marriage contracts, option D. Revenge and betrayal. Answer option C. Complex courtship and marriage contracts. The play The Country Wife is best known for its option A. Political commentary, option B. Scandalous portrayal of sexual relationships, option C. Idealized depiction of rural life, option D. Philosophical themes. Answer option B. Scandalous portrayal of sexual relationships. John Dryden's All for Love is a reworking of which Shakespearean play? Option A. Hamlet, option B. Macbeth, option C. Antony and Cleopatra, option D. Othello. Answer option C. Antony and Cleopatra. In the rover, Aphra Behn explores themes of option A. Religious morality, option B. Love, betrayal and female autonomy, option C. Pastoral simplicity, option D. Political rebellion. Answer option B. Love, betrayal and female autonomy. The term restoration comedy is most closely associated with option A. Tragedy and romance, option B. Realism and satire, option C. Witty repartee and social satire, option D. Dramatic monologues. Answer option C. Witty repartee and social satire. MCQs on themes and influence of restoration drama. Restoration comedy is often mocked. Option A. Religious practices, option B. The middle class, option C. The hypocrisy of the aristocracy, option D. Puritanical morality. Answer option D. Puritanical morality. The comedy of manners satirized the option A. Rural traditions, option B. Lower class laborers, option C. Social manners and morals of the elite, option D. Political system of the time. Answer option C. Social manners and morals of the elite. Which of the following themes is not typically found in restoration drama? Option A. Love and intrigue, option B. Power and politics, option C. Sexual freedom and wit, option D. Romantic idealism. Answer option D. Romantic idealism. Restoration drama declined in popularity with the rise of option A. Victorian novels, option B. Sentimental drama, option C. Elizabethan revenge tragedies, option D. Modernist poetry. Answer option B. Sentimental drama. The restoration audience was characterized by option A. demand for religious and moral themes, option B. A preference for witty, urban and scandalous content, option C. Interest in rural simplicity, option D. A rejection of theatrical performances. Answer option B. A preference for witty, urban and scandalous content. MCQs on theatrical developments during the Restoration. The first professional female playwright in English drama was option A. Mary Wollstonecraft, option B. Aphra Behn, option C. Anne Finch, option D. Charlotte Bronte. Answer option B. Aphra Behn. The Restoration Theatre introduced option A. Religious drama only, option B. Women performing on stage for the first time, option C. The ban on secular plays, option D. Open air performances. Answer option B. Women performing on stage for the first time. The Restoration theatres were often criticized by Puritans for option A. Their outdoor settings, option B. Their moral decadence and bawdiness, option C. Their lack of religious content, option D. Their focus on rural life. Answer option B. Their moral decadence and bawdiness.